You ever notice that when people say, man, I want to go on an adventure, and when they say, man, that was an adventure, that they kind of mean two different things? When people want to go on an adventure, it means that they want to do something maybe that they've never done before and just have a good time. But when they say that was an adventure, they mean that every crap thing went wrong on the road to what they were trying to do. But in the end, it turned out okay. Getting to San Francisco last night was an adventure. It should have gone smoothly enough, and it consisted of a drive across 2 state borders into Las Vegas. Not a big deal, but when I got there, my GPS was wrong. So I ended up going to the wrong location. Then I finally found the right place, but when I got there, it was too late. The airplane had already departed, but that's okay. They got me on another flight that was delayed after delayed after delayed. 4 hours later, I was finally in the air. And then made it to San Francisco, but it was so late by the time I got here, just everything went wrong. But it's okay. I'm here now. That was an adventure. Now, let's go have an adventure at Maker Faire. So on the list of things that went wrong on the way to Maker Faire, I had a camera stand that I was going to use to hold my phone still for shots where I'm not moving, like the last one. But unfortunately, I seem to have left that in Vegas. Either I left it in my car in Vegas, which is okay, that means I'll get it back, or I left it in the Vegas airport, in which case that would be less good. But still, yeah, whoops. Oh well, it's not like my recording setup is particularly idyllic anyways, because I've got a steady cam here. I do have a mic, so at least the audio will be less bad. I hope that what I'm doing here and what I'm doing with this channel is very much in the maker spirit, you know? If you can't do it right, you should at least do it, right? So I really have 2 goals for this Maker Faire. Number 1, meet a lot of really cool people who I've only ever interacted with online. I really want to make that face-to-face connection with people. And 2, I am here because of the makerspace where I work. They're the ones who paid for the plane ticket and the entry. So I need, obviously I'm here for them, and I want to find good activities that I can take back to my makerspace and learn the tools and resources that I need to bring those to them. So that's my goal here for this Maker Faire. So wish me luck.
Hey, if you're watching this within a little while of the upload, remember my low polydyno Kickstarter is going live soon, so make sure you get on the mailing list.